Hi, I'm Cheryl, and today we're going to be replacing an infinite switch that works for both front elements. You may need to replace your infinite switch if one of your front elements is not working properly. This repair should only take about 10 to 15 minutes. For this repair, we're going to need 3 tools: a 1/4-inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. If you don't already have a new infinite switch, they are available for purchase on our website. Before repairing any appliance, always make sure it is completely disconnected from its power source. We are going to need to access the back panel for this repair, so once you have access, we'll take our 1/4-inch nut driver. There's a piece of metal trim here between the top back panel and the lower back panel. We'll start by removing the 2 nuts that are holding that up. And we can set that to the side. Then we can remove the top 2 screws on the top panel. Now this back panel has a metal piece that reaches underneath the electronics of the back. So we're going to need to pull it out from the bottom. So be very careful. You're definitely going to want to wear gloves because there's sharp edges. There's 2 tabs on the outer edges. Press up on those, right above those, to help slide out the back panel. And then you can pull that down and out. This process is going to be the same for both the left front switch and the right front switch. We'll just demonstrate on the right front switch. We'll need to remove the knob. There are 2 screws underneath that Phillips head, so we'll remove those. Now we can work from the back. Now we can pull the switch out. We're going to have to disconnect the wiring. So we'll take our flathead screwdriver to help us pry these off. There's 2 wire harnesses, and then a black wire connected in 2 spots. Once we have the wire harnesses off, like so, we'll just need to transfer this black wire onto our new switch. Now we'll reassemble the wiring to our new switch. The Y shape goes towards the center, and the C shape will go around the outside. Those will push right into place like so. And then we'll reconnect the black wire. There's 2 empty terminals here that will connect those 2. Once all that's rehooked up, we can line it back up with the front of the machine and screw it into place. And we can replace the knob. Push straight on. Now we can replace the back panel. Make sure that the wires on either side are pushed as far over as they'll go. And then we'll insert the top of the back panel first. Swing the bottom part underneath. Again, we'll need to press up on the bottom to get them over the tabs. And you should be able to line that up pretty well with those holes. Rescrew in those top screws on the back panel. And then we can replace the trim. And tighten it down. And that's it. That wasn't too hard, right? Here's a quick recap. All of of our OEM parts and tools are available for purchase on our website. Check them out and let us know what you think on these social media sites.